What apps should every pop-up drink stand owner use? Every pop-up drink stand owner should use a point-of-sale app like Square, a social media scheduling app like Later, and an inventory tracking app like Sortly to keep their business organized and running smoothly every single day. Think of your pop-up stand like a lemonade stand that grew up and got serious. The point-of-sale app is like a cash register that lives on your phone, so you can take cards, Apple Pay, and cash all in one place without carrying a heavy machine around. The scheduling app is like a helper who posts your pictures and locations online even when you are busy making drinks, so people always know where to find you. The inventory app is the secret hero nobody talks about because it tracks exactly how many cups, lids, and syrups you have left before you run out mid-rush. A lot of stand owners do not realize these apps can also show you sales patterns like which flavor sells best on hot days versus cool days. That kind of pattern spotting is something big companies pay analysts for, but you get it for free just by using the right little app. One common mistake is not connecting your point-of-sale app to your bank account right away, which delays your money and creates confusion later, so set that up on day one before you even open. Another mistake is posting on social media without tagging your location, which means hungry customers walking nearby never even see you, so always drop a pin when you post. A lot of owners also forget to back up their sales data weekly, and if your phone crashes, you lose everything, so turn on automatic cloud backup and never think about it again. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.